third graders. Today we're going to be in our Purple Journeys workbook and doing some pages that go along with our jump story. So you need to find your workbook and meet us on page 146. Today we're going to be talking about sensory words and details, which is what good writers do when they want to make their story more interesting. So let's read in the box. It says, good writers use sensory words. If you have a highlighter, you could underline that or highlight that sentence. It's important. Words that let readers see, hear, smell, taste, and touch, and vivid details to paint a clear picture of what they are trying to say. Compare the sentences without sensory words and details to the one that has sensory words and details. So we're going to look at two sentences. One is written with using lots of those details. Here's the without, and then here's one with. So the without says, Aaron won the game. So it's pretty basic, not a lot of things that help you understand too many details about the game or Aaron. Okay, and here's what a good writer might add in to make it a better sentence. Aaron crushed the last pitch and rounded the bases to win the game. Now, if you're reading a story or a book, you know that the second one is going to be a lot more exciting and give you more information and details about the game. Okay? So what we're going to do below in this section down here is they're going to give us a sentence that isn't very exciting and we're going to make it better. Okay? So we're going to be adding sensory words and details. And they give you some words that are in the box right here. Oops, excuse me. They give you some words that are in the box. Okay? These are our sensory words. And you can use those if you want. We have old, booming, tiny, rumbled, and thud. But you do not need to use those words. You could also just make the sentences more exciting with your own words. Okay? So let's do one together. Number 1 says, the car went down the road. So how could I change that to make it more exciting? Okay, I can put describing words in wherever I want. Okay? And your sentence might be different than the one that I suggest. You can definitely write your own sentence, okay? So I think in front of car, I'm going to add some details, okay? I'm going to say I'm using a word from up above. The old blue car just makes it a little more exciting, doesn't it? And then it says went down the road. I'm going to say went down the bumpy road. Okay, so you can add in those sensory words wherever you want. Went down, and if you get to you're adding in a word and you don't know how to spell it, just do the best that you can. Went down the bumpy road. Okay, and then I'm done with that one. Okay, so we are going to you have 4 of those to do on your own. And I was actually going to do 2 pages today, but I think we're just going to stick with just page 146 because you'll have some sentences to write there. So number 2 is really short. So Anna fell. So think about all the things that you could add to that. Okay, as long as you make sure that you have this part in it. Okay, but you can add whatever you want to it. All right, and number 3 says the snow fell all day. Add words into that. Number 4 says the chair broke. Add good sensory describing words into that. And the last one says he called my name. Okay? I can't wait to read your creative sentences. They're going to be good. I know it. So this is our only page for today, guys. Thanks.